In this video, we will be multiplying polynomials and we will solve 3 problems. This will be the first problem, the second problem, and the third problem. So let's get started. So whenever we want to multiply these 2 polynomials, what we can do first is multiply x by this and -4 by this and simply add it. So we would get x times this, x squared minus 3x plus 6 plus -4 times this. So -4 times x squared minus 3x plus 6. And so the next step is to distribute the x here, here, and here. Distribute the -4 here, here, and here, and then simply add. And so for this line right here, we would get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x. Then we do this line. So we would get minus 4x squared. Minus 4 times -3 is plus 12, 12x. Minus 4 times 6 is minus 24. And next we group everything. So we have x cubed only one time. This is the only instance where we have x cubed. Next we do x squared. So we have x squared here and here, right? This one right here. So -3x squared minus 4x squared. Next we do x. So we have 6x here and 12x, 6x and 12x. Lastly, we have -24, the constant, -24. And now we simply add everything up. So x cubed minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7x squared. 6 plus 12 is plus 18x minus 24. And this right here would be the final answer for this. Next, we will do 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. And for this one, we will do it slightly differently. We will take the 3x here times this 3x. 3x times 3x plus 3x times -5. 3x times -5 plus 5 times 3x. 5 times 3x. Next is plus 5 times -5. 5 times -5. And so we have 4 items. This, 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 and this. And so now we add everything up. So we have 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times -5 is minus 15x. 5 times 3x is plus 15x. 5 times -5 is minus 25. And we know minus 15x plus 15x is 0x. And so our final answer would be 9x squared minus 25. And now we'll do the last problem. 3x plus 5 parentheses squared. So this right here is equivalent of parentheses 3x plus 5 times parentheses 3x plus 5. And so we'll do almost the same thing as this, where we do 3x times 3x. This right here, 3x times 3x. Next we will do 3x times 5, 3x times 5. Next we will do 5 times 3x, 5 times 3x. And lastly 5 times 5, 5 times 5. And so we would get 9x squared, 15x, 15x, and 25. And now we simply add everything up. So 9x squared plus 15 plus 15 is 30, 30x plus 25. And so this right here would be the final answer. And that's all we need to do to multiply polynomials.